People want their ends popping, edges popping, everything popping. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Renee Barnett and I am back with another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like this video, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I create a new video. In today's video, I am going to be trimming my split ends. If you saw my last video, you already know that my ends, they need to be handled because they are struggling. We got to take care of these ends because they are, ooh, they trying to ruin my life. In all honesty, I just need a good trim so that my hair can essentially be healthy. There are benefits to trimming your hair. First benefit is if your ends are raggedy, then your hairstyle is just not gonna look good, whatever you do. The second reason why I'm gonna trim my hair is because if you leave your ends untrimmed, your hair is just gonna continue to split. And it can actually split all the way down to the root of your hair, which is just gonna be a whole nother problem. And the third and final reason is to help the health of my hair and for hair growth. I've gone natural. I do want for my hair to be healthy, to look full and look thick and vibrant. I want to get rid of the heat damage that I have caused. This is my technique. This is what I'm doing to my hair. So I'm not encouraging anyone to go out and cut their hair, but if you feel the need, go right ahead. The tools I'll be using to trim my ends will be my detangling comb. I'm also going to be using my Denman brush just to detangle my ends. And then I'm going to be using a pair of shears that I got offline. I've included links in the description box below if you're interested in getting any of these products. Let's get started. And one side is completely longer than the other. That means I'm probably going to have to cut off more hair on this side than this side, but it's okay. I've already detangled my hair and I sectioned it off into 4 sections here, and then I have a section back here that I'm gonna part, and I'm gonna start on the side that's already the shortest, so just so that I can even it up so that I have a guide to work with. I'm just gonna add one more clip so that my section is smaller that I'm trimming. Okay, that already looks a lot better. Now I'm just gonna do the other side. So I do have to trim quite a bit off of this side just because, like I said, it's much longer. I just wanna cut off the really raggedy parts, like right here on the end. But I also wanna make sure that it's the same length so that I don't end up in the same predicament that I was in to begin with. Okay guys, as you can see, my trim is complete. My hair looks a lot healthier, it looks fuller, it has a better shape. So hopefully the next hairstyle that I do will be a go. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Bye!
I got time for no raggedy ends.
Hopefully the next hairstyle that I do will look normal.